You've most likely heard that a daily oral hygiene practice should involve brushing twice a day and flossing once a day. While this is a fantastic starting point, simply brushing and flossing may not be enough to maintain optimal dental health. In this video, I'll provide 6 dental hygiene tips and strategies to help you maintain healthy teeth between 6-month cleaning appointments. Stick around till the end for tip number 1 that may surprise you. Number 6. Make use of an electric toothbrush. When used appropriately, an electric toothbrush is typically thought to be more effective than a regular toothbrush. Users do not have to brush back and forth with an electric toothbrush. Instead, they simply move the brush across the quadrants of the mouth and the tiny vibrations accomplish the cleaning. An electric toothbrush, in particular, can be more successful in removing plaque and calcium buildup from your mouth on a daily basis. Many electric toothbrushes also include a 2-minute timer to help you stay on track. Brushing your teeth excessively, forcefully, whether with an electric or manual toothbrush, can cause gum damage. Brush at a 45-degree angle towards the gum line and brush softly to avoid hurting your gums and wearing away the enamel. Number 5. Double check your flossing technique. Flossing once a day is critical to your oral health. A toothbrush can only reach 60% of the surface of your teeth, and flossing is the only way to remove plaque and debris from the other 40%. Flossing, on the other hand, is only beneficial to your oral health when done correctly. Flossing will not remove plaque hiding between your teeth and under your gums if you do not use a C-shape and do not go far enough under the gums. Those who floss too forcefully, on the other hand, risk injuring their gums, leading to more dental health difficulties down the line. Learn how to floss correctly. Number 4. After flossing, rinse your mouth. It's recommended that patients floss before brushing their teeth to eliminate material loosened during flossing. But the most crucial problem is to floss at least once a day. If you floss your teeth after brushing or at any other time during the day, make sure to rinse with water afterwards to cleanse your mouth of bacteria and debris that the floss released. Number 3. Keep a toothbrush at your desk. You never know when you'll need to wash your teeth. If you eat a meal that causes food particles to become lodged in your teeth, or if you know you need to brush your teeth more frequently, it's always a good idea to keep an extra toothbrush on hand for emergencies. Keep it in a safe place and with a cover to avoid dust and debris from building on your toothbrush. Number 2. Don't forget about your tongue. Millions of bacteria live on the tongue, contributing to bad breath and plaque buildup in the mouth. Brush your tongue carefully, as well as your teeth, to eradicate microorganisms. You can also incorporate mouthwash into your everyday regimen to eliminate bacteria and refresh your breath. Make sure to use one that contains fluoride to strengthen your teeth and protect your mouth as a whole. Number 1. Are you ready for this one? Probiotics. That's right. We've always been told that bad bacteria are to blame for all dental diseases, but upon a closer look, scientists have realized that imbalance in the oral health is caused by the lack of good bacteria. The population of good bacteria can be harmed by common dental products that might contain toxic ingredients. This explains why teeth can thrive for thousands of years outside of the mouth, while in our mouth they get ruined by plain chocolate. In order to support the health of your teeth and gums, you need to repopulate your mouth with good bacteria and provide a healthy environment for the strains to grow in. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that, when consumed in adequate amounts, can support digestive health by restoring the natural balance of gut flora. They can aid in nutrient absorption, improve immune function, alleviate gastrointestinal issues, and potentially have positive effects on mental health and skin conditions. To learn more about probiotics and how you can apply it to your own life, click the link in the description below. These suggestions can help you improve your dental hygiene regimen and keep your mouth healthy in general. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.